Imagine a battlefield where there are no soldiers, only machines, drones, tanks, and robots, capable of identifying targets, making decisions, and eliminating threats, without a single human command. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's happening right now. Governments around the world are racing to develop fully autonomous weapons, machines that can think, act, and kill without hesitation. But here's the real question. What happens when AI weapons make a mistake? What happens when they turn against us? The United States, China, and Russia are leading the race, developing AI-powered military drones that can eliminate enemies within seconds. Unlike traditional weapons, these machines don't rely on human decision-making. They use facial recognition, heat signatures, and real-time data to select and eliminate targets on their own. But here's the terrifying part. What if AI weapons misidentify a target? What if a machine program decides that a civilian looks like an enemy? History has shown us that even the most advanced AI systems can fail. And when the weapon has no off switch, the consequences could be disastrous. Leaked reports suggest that some of these AI-controlled weapons have already made critical mistakes attacking unintended targets. Governments don't want you to know how much control they've already given to machines. Some experts warn that AI weapons could start wars, trigger mass destruction, and even turn against their own creators. Question is, have we already crossed the point of no return? Because once AI-controlled weapons become more intelligent than humans, we might not be able to stop them. Is this the future we want, or is it already too late? Subscribe for more mind-blowing science and tech mysteries. Stay curious, stay prepared.